This is happening right now as we speak in my street, Roselove Street. This is a house at Mamraka's area. I just thought that the director must see this because they've been asking you on many occasions to come and fix this problem and you haven't done that so far. So yeah, this is how our people's houses are under flood. Master Sikane, I think maybe if you can give this message to the guys there, the officers, just for them to see the sewage or the water system, how the water is moving. It's really a problem. It's not nice. Almost this whole area is flooded in the street because of the way the water has not been planned properly or what movement. Very serious. Mora. This is also the next house next to the house that has normally complained about the water. It is going houses. It's literally, look at it. It's going to 8 up. Move over to move. It's that bad. But one should be probably not fighting and just making aware that we really need our water pipes to be really correctly assembled from the other streets so that the water can go through the storage pipes, because we have pipes that has just recently been fixed, but the water is not going through them, so the way the connection is made. So yeah, serious. Organized fiction. They drink all the time. Jij gaat het niet maken, je moet het stoppen. Je moet halverwege gaan. Oh, je gaat maar die water lopen. Ik heb dit gedaan. Ja, allemaal is het. Ah, ik vat een foto. Oh my.